The NHIDCL has terminated the contract of the Odisha-based firm ARSS Infrastructure Projects Limited for implementation of the Package 2 of the Shillong Dawki Road project. Informing this after reviewing the road project with senior officials, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, in charge of PWD roads, informed that the poor work of progress prompted the NHIDCL head office to cancel the contract of the Odisha-based firm, adding that the NHIDCL will initiate the re-tendering process. He further informed that he has directed technical experts to identify the vulnerable stretches of the road in view of the monsoon season and to have a dedicated team for emergency work on standby all the time.
We also discussed, because there is PIL against the progress of work of the Shillong Dawki Road, the Ilaya discussed road Shillong. Again, we discussed about the landslide prone area where we identified few deplorable ones, how to take care of this coming monsoon, because it's so dangerous. So we already discussed all the details. Then the technical people from Nhidcl, they will prepare the plan, the action plan, how to go about it, and how to also make sure that the dedicated team for any emergency work, it has to be there 24/7.